Hi guys, just a little update on what the crew's been up to recently. We took a trip out to Sungrow. Sungrow has a training centre in Sydney. Graham Smith sat us down and gave us a bit of a refresher on some existing battery options and also some new products that are recently released here in Australia. We're currently gearing up for the New South Wales government rebate, which is coming in November, so we'll have some awesome offers. Sungrow will be one of them. The Sungrow lithium iron phosphate solution is lightweight, expandable, modular. It'll help us provide options for both single and three-phase households. It will be suitable for residential anywhere from 6.4 kilowatt hours all the way up to about 25.5, which gives us a lot of flexibility. There'll be backup solutions for both single phase and three phase as well. The versatility in the Sungrow range gives us the ability to retrofit to existing systems in an AC coupled solution or design a new solar and battery storage solution from scratch. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more updates from the team at PSD.